Hey, what's up YouTube? So today's tutorial is going to be a little different than I normally do. I'm going to actually be speaking on this video. Normally I like to cut it really short and just add the music to it. But I thought I'd try something different. I was going to ask you guys to let me know down below if you guys prefer this type of video or the ones where I do like a 5 to 6 minute video and it's just a quick tutorial. So comment down below what you guys think. I just want to get your feedback on this so I can kind of so today's video is going to be a tutorial again, but it's a I'm recreating a video that I saw on somebody that I follow here on YouTube. Her name is Madaline Jeanette, and I saw this tutorial on her page and I really liked it, so I'm going to recreate it, and I'll put her link down below if you guys want to go check out her videos. And one of the reasons why I like the tutorials because she used, you know, really pretty bright colors, and I tend to always do a lot of browns and neutrals, so I wanted to, you know, add a little color to my eyes. So that's what we'll be doing today. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start by using this eyeliner here. It's called Fishnet, and I'm just gonna use this to mark my crease. And I'm not following exactly the steps that she did. I'm just recreating it. I'm giving it my own twist. Okay. I might have gone a little high with that, but I'm okay with that. And hers, I don't think she used black, but I want to use... I already added that. Now I'm going to take this super old eyeshadow palette that you guys have seen me use. It's a hard candy palette. It's called Feeling Blue. And I'm going to take this little, it's a Lancome brush. Also, let me know how the audio sounds. I don't know if I sound too low or I don't know. Let me know. And I'm going to take this color here. So I'm going to take that blue, take a lot of it, and I'm just going to pack it right over that black line that we added there. This might take a while because this blue is not that great. This is going to help blend out the line if we add enough blue. So anyways, like I said at the beginning of the video, feel free to comment down below what kind of tutorials y'all prefer to watch, or if you like both type of tutorials, so I can consider that for my future videos. Bring that in. I think I'm using the slightly darker blue that she used on her tutorial, but it's okay. It's a recreation. It's a really pretty blue. More of that. See how you could still really see that black line there? I'm just gonna go back and forth there and try to blend that out a little bit. And I normally like to film and then add the music later because I don't really have a lot to say most of the times, because I'm usually filming this super early and I'm kind of like still waking up, you know. But today I felt like doing this look. Okay, now that we have that, I know it looks a little crazy, but we have to blend. So I'm going to take a blending brush that I've had forever. This is a Coastal Scent brush. It doesn't even have a number or anything. And I'm gonna use this color. It's a little more because I don't like the way that looks. So back and forth motion. Okay, looks a little better. Back in there and blend it up. Now, on the bottom, on the lid, she used pink and purple. So I'm gonna get a hot pink. But first, I'm gonna add some concealer. Concealer brush. Or you could use an eyeshadow base, but I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna You see why I don't make these kind of videos? Because I don't really have much to say. But we'll just keep going. It's all about trying new things, right? Like I said, she used a hot pink and purple. So I'm going to start with a hot pink. I'm going to take this Makeup Forever blush. My little sister gave me this blush a while back. That one. And for this, I'm just going to use a flat brush. Just take some of that. And I'm just going to pack it on in here. Ooh, look at that. Just already pack it on the brush. I'm starting to really like the way this is looking. I'm going to go about halfway because I know she did half pink and half purple, so we'll just stop there. No, I'll take it a little further because I want the pink to stand out a little more than the purple. There. Now I need to find a purple shade, a matte purple shade. Oh, we'll go into this palette for sure. There has to be a purple in here. Boom. Hopefully it's dark enough. I'm just gonna use that one. And for this, I'm gonna use the first brush that we used with the blue. And pack it on there. Oh yeah, that's the purple I was looking for. Oh, it's so pretty. have been a little darker. I'm just gonna go with it. Yeah, definitely could have been a little darker, so we're gonna leave it like that for now. Open more pink. It's a lot of fallout. Now, I'm gonna take a small e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm gonna go in with that blue again. I'm gonna go in with eyeliner. Did I put it upside down? Oh wow. Okay. Put the eyeliner. And since this look is kind of dramatic, I'm gonna go with a dramatic wing. Okay, so I just added the eyeliner. Now I'm gonna put some eyeliner on the lower lash line, or the waterline. Now, if we want to be extra, we could put some glitter on here, but since I'm doing all the shimmer up here, I just wanted to leave this part matte. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye because I don't know if my son's gonna let me do the other one. So I want you guys to see what the finished look is gonna be. Now with my favorite tool. I hate this thing, but if you see, my eyelashes are like super droopy and sad, so we have to resort to this. And I'm gonna curl them. And now that I was gonna mention this eyeliner, if you guys saw my Smashbox Holidays haul, this was part of one of the things that I bought, and I gotta say, I'm already getting used to like the application, because I was used to the Wet n Wild one, but I really like this eyeliner, especially because it's so easy to wash off, and like during the day it doesn't smear. The Wet n Wild one, I really love that eyeliner. It's waterproof, and it doesn't smear, and it's super dark, but it's a hassle to take it off. Like, it's crazy. I mean, it's good, but it's bad, you know. And this one, it's very easy to take off. So that's that. Now let's add some mascara. I'm using this Falsies one, and I'm gonna add as much as I can so that it gives the appearance that I have long full lashes. which I don't. And I'm not big on the eyelash game, mainly because the few times that I've tried it, I ended up like losing one, or it's like dangling to the side. So I'd rather just save myself the embarrassment and just stick to this. I mean, maybe one day I'll try them here on my channel just for fun, but I don't guarantee it. So it's a little better. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it. Wow, got my hand all dirty. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this video on pause. I'm gonna try to finish the other eye, and I will be back. But let me give you a little close-up of what we have so far. Isn't that pretty? I knew when I saw her video, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to recreate this. And of course I let her know that I was gonna steal her look, and she said it was okay. So thanks for being cool about it. And I will link her video down below. So let me go do the other eye. I really like this. Okay guys, so here's the final look. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. Again, I want... Yes, son? So again, I want to thank Madaline Jeanette for sharing this video with us. I really like the way her look came out, and this is just my recreation of it. I hope you guys like it, and I will leave her channel down below if you guys want to go check her out. Also, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys, if you guys like this type of video, or if you prefer the ones where they're like 6 minutes. And I will cut it short now because my son woke up and I gotta go tend to him. And I hope everybody has a nice weekend. We'll see you guys. Bye.